DIY wall decoration piece using waste material, pressure cooker ring, fabric, mirror, and more. Transform trash into art with this simple DIY craft. Looking for a budget-friendly wall decor idea? Try making a beautiful wall hang with a little creativity. Your old pressure cooker ring, fabric scraps, mirror, beads, ribbon, and glue gun can become a stunning handmade masterpiece. Materials you'll need: old pressure cooker ring, colorful fabric pieces, round mirror, hot glue gun, decorative beads, ribbon or lace, scissors, cardboard, optional for backing. Prepare the base ring. Clean the pressure cooker ring thoroughly. Wipe away dust or grease so glue sticks properly. Let it dry completely before starting. Now, wrap the entire ring using fabric strips. Choose bright or printed fabrics for a vibrant finish. Apply hot glue to secure the fabric tightly in place as you go around the ring. Create fabric flowers. Now, cut small squares or circles from leftover fabric. Fold and twist them to form flower shapes. Use hot glue to secure their shape. Make 5 to 6 flowers, or as many as you prefer. Glue the flowers around the ring, or in a cluster at the bottom. These handmade flowers make your wall piece look rich and artistic. Attach ribbon for hanging. Cut a long strip of ribbon or lace. Fold it into a loop and glue it at the top backside of the ring. This will serve as your hanger. Use strong glue so it holds the weight of your creation securely. Attach the mirror at the center. Take a round mirror that fits the center of the ring. Apply hot glue around the mirror's back edge. Carefully press it into the middle of the ring. Hold it in place for a few seconds to ensure it sticks well. The mirror not only reflects light but also adds a premium touch to your DIY piece. Add decorative beads for sparkle. Next, use beads to outline the mirror. This enhances its visual appeal. Use small decorative beads or pearls and glue them one by one around the mirror border. Choose bead colors that match or contrast with your fabric. This adds extra charm and detail to your decoration. Final touches for a professional look. Double-check all glued parts. Press any loose edges and reinforce if needed. You can also add small beads, buttons, or sequins to the flowers. Let everything dry for at least an hour before hanging. Hang and display your eco-friendly art. Find a nice spot on your wall and hang your new decor piece. It's best placed where light can reflect off the mirror